Hello everyone, we are from the Atrons Innovation. So this is our new project, over voltage, under voltage based protection system. Now let's see the hardware components of the project. In this project, we are using a step down transformer. So this is a bridge rectifier circuitry. So this is a voltage regulatory circuitry. Our main microcontrol board is a Arduino Uno. So this is a liquid crystal display. So this is a buzzer and relay controlling circuitry. We are using two 10K port for the demonstration of the under voltage and over voltage protection. So this is a light load. Now let's see the working of the project. So this is a 10K port for the demonstration of the over voltage. So as you can see here, right now the display showing voltage is the 220 voltage. So this is in a normal condition, so that's why the load is on. So whenever the voltage gets more than the 250 voltage, as you can see here, right now I am increasing the voltage. So as you can see here, right now it is going. So whenever it goes more than the 250 or 260 voltage, so in that condition, automatically the load will be turned off for the protection of the over voltage. Now let's see the working of the under voltage protection. So as you can see here, right now I am rotating the 10K port. So parallelly you can monitor the voltage in the LCD display. So whenever the voltage gets below 180, in that condition, the automatically under voltage will be protection will be applied. So as you can see here, right now the voltage is 173. So that's why our load has been cut off. If you want this project, please contact us. All the content information is available in the description. Thank you for watching the video.